have a chance to bring the brain out. Take it out. Take it out. Now, you have a cleaner in your hand. You have to deep clean it. Get ready. Okay, time to bring it back. So put your own brain, not the Parosi ka brain. Let's put the brain. Okay, now time to check. So, okay, now time to bring all your bills, all your problems on your left hand. I have my mortgage still going on. You know, you have to pay more parking. These days, parking isn't easy. So bring all your problems here. And now we have whether it's clean. Let's look at the problems which are not visible. Okay, time to check more. Now, are you guys a little thirsty? I also. So let's make a smoothie. Just hold your hands. Imagine what you have right now is your own churning. So we are going to churn and drink the happiness drink. And if you don't like it, throw it away. So what are we going to do? Ooh.